Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate event ticket bookings via WhatsApp. For example, you are an event organizer and you got many event ticket bookings from your users at once. Responding them manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will reply to them. In this video, I am also going to teach you how you can store your user data, that means their event ticket bookings details, into your Google Sheet, and that will possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect, where I take my trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow and action application as Google Sheet. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate event ticket bookings via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of event organizer. Here I am sending my first message as ticket. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that welcome to Event Hub, ready to get your tickets for an unforgettable experience. You can see it will provide me two quick buttons, that is book tickets and view events. Here I want to book a ticket, so I am going to click on this book tickets button. Then you can see it will ask me to provide the ticket type while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of tickets including their prices, that is the concert, conferences and festivals. Here I want to book a ticket for festival, so I am selecting it. See, it will ask me for my full name. Here I am sharing my full name as a smart user. After that, it will ask me for my email address. So I am sharing my email address as pat@pabblytunes.com. After that, one test contact number. Then you can see it will ask me to provide the number of tickets that I want to purchase. So I am sharing the ticket quantity as 4. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that your tickets are confirmed. Thank you, smart user, while providing me the ticket types that I have selected from the list as festivals. Also mention the number of tickets, and one message, that is event details and reminder, will be sent soon. In this video, we will also learn how you can store your user data, that is their name, email address, contact number, ticket quantity and the ticket type, into your Google Sheet like this. So for creating this type of automation, that not only your bot will reply to your users within a second but also store their data into your Google Sheet, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck anywhere while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the name to your folder. Also select the parent folder from here, and in this home section you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses with the help of Flow Builder, where you can create and manage all of your static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate event ticket bookings via WhatsApp. After that, now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. At first, you have to select your trigger event. For that, you have to click on it. Here you can see it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword /regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday is coming soon and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this box as ticket. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword, events. Here I added only two. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that, I am taking one text button, drag this box here, where I am going to enter my respond message in this enter message box. That is, welcome to Event Hub, ready to get your tickets for an unforgettable experience. Now I want to add two quick buttons for my users. For that, I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as book tickets. After that, the next button I'll write as view event. After that, I'm connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now when my user will send any of this keyword to my WhatsApp business account of event registration, then my bot will automatically get triggered and reply to them by sending this welcome message. After that, now when my users wants to book a tickets, then they will click on this book tickets button, then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that, you have to write the body in this enter body box. Here I am going to directly entering the body, that is, please select the ticket type you would like to purchase. After that, you have to write the footer in this enter footer box. In this case, I am not writing any footer, so I am leaving this blank. Then I want to add the types of tickets. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as ticket type. After that, I want to add the types of tickets. For that, I am clicking on this plus add items button. Here I am adding three types of tickets. That's why I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. You can see it will again provide me one box inside it where the first ticket type I am going to write in this enter title box as, that is, concert. After that, I am going to enter the price of this ticket in this enter description box. Here I added that is 999. After that, now I am adding 2 more tickets type. Here I added that is conferences with their price and the festivals also. After that, I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book tickets to this message. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select the ticket type from the list, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, here I am going to set one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as ticket type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is the concert, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this ticket type. Now I am going to explain you from where you can create this contact custom field and why we use this contact custom field in the creation of our flow. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever switching to the another tab, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of uses. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of your field. Also write the field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of ticket type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. So here I selected the contact custom field as ticket type. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to set 2 contact custom field nodes for both of these ticket types. For that, I am again clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field 2 times. Drag this boxes here where I select the contact custom field as ticket type, and in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is conferences. After that, for the last one also, I am going to select the contact custom field as ticket types, and in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is festivals. Here I set it to specific contact custom field node for each of these ticket type. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message, this circle to this. Here it is connected. Now whenever my user will select their specific ticket types from this list, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will capture their response and reply to my user by sending them a customized message which includes their selected ticket type. After that, when my user will select the ticket type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that, I am taking one ask question button, drag this question box here where I am going to write my message as, that is, first may I have your full name please. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that, the format I select as text, then the number of attempt I'll give as 0. Number of attempt defined as how many times your user will answer your question that you have written here, and if your user will not provide the answer in the correct format, then you can increase the number of attempt. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter validation message box. As in this case, I am giving number of attempt is 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Now when my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share their email address. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here where I am going to write my question as, great, now please share your email address to proceed with the booking. After that, the contact custom field I select as email, then the format I select as email. After that, the number of attempt I'll give as 0. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now in the next, I want my user to share their contact number and the quantity of tickets. For that, I am again taking one ask question button 2 times. I drag this boxes here. Now I am adding individual questions in both of these boxes. Here I added, that is, lastly, could you please share your contact number. For that, I selected the contact custom field as contact number. After that, the format I select as number. In the next, I have set the default value for the number, that is the 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. This is the default setup for contact number. You can use this. Now for the another question, I have asked my user to that how many tickets would you like to book. For that, I selected the contact custom field as contact quantity. After that, the format I select as any. After that, in the next, whenever my user will share their details to me, then I want to store their details into my Google Sheet. For that, I am taking one API request node, drag this box here and clicking on it. Here you can see it will ask you to select the request that I select as post. After that, you have to paste the webhook URL in this field. So for getting this webhook URL, I am going to take you to my Pabbly Connect dashboard. So this is the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. As I already created one workflow by the name of event booking, so I am selecting this. You can see here I have used my trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow and action application as Google Sheet. When I click on it, you can see I have selected the app event as new message received. After that, it will provide me one webhook URL that you have to copy from here and paste this URL in this field. Here I paste it. In the next, you can see it is divided in three parts. It is parameters, headers and body. Here I am going with parameters. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name, as at first I want my user's full name. After that, I want to add some more fields. So the next contact custom field I am adding as ticket type. After that, in the next, I am going to add the quantity, then the contact number, and lastly the email address. Here I select. After that, in the key boxes, I am going to write the same but without dollar symbol. So here I am adding. Here I added. Now for getting a new response, at first you have to click on this recapture webhook response. For getting this webhook response, you have to go in this flows option and click on this test button. Here you can see API request sent successfully. Now we will check our flow. See, we have received a new data just a seconds ago. That means our Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to our Pabbly Chatflow. Here the setting up of our trigger application is done. After that, in the next, I have selected my action application as Google Sheet. When I click on it, here I have selected the app event as add new row. After that, select the spreadsheet that I have created by the name of event bookings user details. Now I am going to show you this sheet. So this is the sheet that I have already created before by the name of event booking user details, where I have mentioned the column by the name of full name, ticket type, quantity, phone number and the email. You can see all the fields that I have mentioned into my Google Sheet is automatically extracted here, where I have done the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is Pabbly Chatflow. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation, as it makes data dynamic, as different users have different data. So for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, you have to simply click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our sheet. See, a new row is added into my Google Sheet which includes the test details. That means our automation is working perfectly. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here the setting up of our action application is also done. After that, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to our flow. Here the setting up of this API request node is done. So I am going to click on the save button. Here it is saved. Now after that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now whenever all these process should done, then automatically with the help of this API request node, my user data will be added into my Google Sheet. Then after that, I want to give one customized message to my user based on their provided data. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. You can also get this text button from here, messages option. After that, in this enter message box, I am going to write my last respond message. Here I added, that is, your tickets are confirmed. Thank you with dollar symbol, full name, ticket type with dollar symbol, ticket type. You can see I have used dollar symbol in some places because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field node, my bot will capture their response and reply to them by mentioning their name in this place. Also same for the ticket types and the quantity. Now the next one is the view events. If my user will click on this view events button, then my bot will reply to them. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write the details about the events. Here I added. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate event ticket bookings via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option, where you have to click on the three dots and click on this share flow option. Here you can see it will provide you one share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact, custom fields, tags, catalog and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your users like this, ask about their details and also done the ticket booking processing of your any events without you doing any manual efforts, and that will only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.